Hello and what's up guys, welcome to another video on naija daily. So in this video we're talking about burna boy guys. So the song by burna boy last has finally debuted on the billboard hot 100. So if you find this video enjoyable, I would like you to please subscribe so as to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers guys. Thanks. So the song by burna boy last has finally debuted on the billboard hot 100 at the number 86 guys. So burna boy will join the likes of ckay to debut as a solo artist on the billboard hot 100. So this came after he had a very great performance and a very great show at Barbados. So share your opinion in the comment section and also don't forget to subscribe. Peace guys.